Hi friends, let me show you my new Limashing Apple Watch charger. It is a Keychain, so it's a portable charger, okay? You get the instructions, you get the cable to charge it, to charge the charger, of course. Okay, it's a micro USB. And the actual unit, it's a basic keychain, but you can charge it through this port here, okay, in any USB charger, and you turn it on here in this button, okay, there it is, has some charge already, and you want to put your iWatch here, and it'll be charging, okay? So, well, this is nice because sometimes you're in a trip or you're on the road or you're outside, you forgot to charge your Apple Watch in the night, and for an emergency charging, you have this keychain with a iWatch charger. So, I think it's great. I really recommend it. Overall, for people who are on the road a lot and need to be able to charge their iWatches everywhere. This is the key change, the key ring, you see. You open it really, really easy. And you put here your keys. And you can put it in your key ring like this, you see? You have your iWatch charger, and you can charge your iWatch anywhere you are. Perfect.